Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Flash flood emergency strikes Kansas with water rescues around Wichita. Strong to severe thunderstorms swept through central Kansas on Tuesday, triggering life-threatening flooding in and around eastern Wichita. The National Weather Service office that covers the Wichita area issued a flash flood emergency, the highest level of flood alert for more than 200,000 residents after rainfall rates reached between 1 to 3 inches per hour. Within the flash flood emergency zone, storm totals were expected to reach at least 6 inches of rainfall, which overwhelmed drainage systems and transformed roadways into rivers. The heaviest of rainfall occurred east of Interstate 135, where multiple water rescues were reported throughout the afternoon. Emergency officials encouraged residents to stay home, but if people must venture out, to avoid venturing on roadways of unknown water depths. Every time it rains heavily, we respond to calls from people who thought they could make it. And sometimes those stories don't end well, the Wichita Police Department stated. First responders attended to nearly 100 calls for service which involved some type of assistance for people needing to reach higher ground. According to NSW forecasters, just 6 inches of fast-moving water can knock an adult off their feet, and a foot of flood water can carry a car away. Significant flooding was also reported in nearby El Dorado, where vehicles stood no chance on some roadways. The Kansas Division of Emergency Management also activated the State Emergency Operations Center in Topeka to monitor the severe weather. Governor issued a disaster emergency proclamation due to heavy rainfall. Wind damage was reported further northeast around the Kansas City metro, with locations around Arrowhead Stadium put under the tornado warning. Tornado sirens sounded and at least one tractor trailer was flipped on Interstate 70. But meteorologists have not confirmed whether the damage was straight-line winds or twister. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.